Hey guys, thanks for checking out my ridiculous new setup, and I'm going to show you how I achieved this monstrosity. The star of the show is the Onewheel. This is my modified Onewheel XR, and the only modification you will need for my setup is the extended backplate. The backplate I'm using is the Craft Ride Onetail. The main source of the engineering for the setup is this. This is the mount that gets attached to the Onetail. It's two pieces of aluminum that are welded together and bent in a shape where I attached a camera mount. Originally this was going to be a mount for a camera, but it became too shaky, so it didn't really go anywhere with that. But it does make a great mount for my trash can. And the trash can has the camera mount on it. The way the mount attaches to the Onetail is pretty simple, just a couple of screws. I drilled 2 holes in the Onetail. I attach the mount to the Onetail, screw it up, and it stays on nice and snug. Now the beauty of having your trash can attached to the camera mount is being able to position the trash can in any angle you want. I find that having the trash can tilted forward a little bit helps with the trash not flying out that much. The pressure stays pretty good inside the trash can and keeps the trash inside the trash can. But I will be adding a new trash can to my Onewheel pretty soon, because this is still only a prototype and there's lots of room for improvement. The question I get asked most often is how I get that awesome third-person view angle. The secret is this Tarian camera desk mount. I will put a link in the description. This mount unfolds into a really long and really stable arm that I can position in any way I want, and it holds my phone with pretty good stability. The way the mount sits in the backpack is via this piece of wood that I screw the mount onto, and since the piece of wood fits in the backpack nice and snug, the mount does not move around too much. I do look a little bit silly wearing it, basically like a one-armed Doc Ock, but it does do the trick, it's pretty stable, and I do get that awesome angle. I can put the camera mount away pretty simply, unscrew it, fold it down, and I can do whatever I want, no problem. Along with the third-person setup, I also like this first-person setup where I attach my phone to the trash grabber. This is a Quadlock system where the Quadlock mount is attached to the trash grabber and my phone sits in the Quadlock case that is designed for the mount. The added benefit of doing this first-person view is the fact that you're holding on to the camera. You can point it anywhere you want. You can scan the area, you can hold the stick this way and you get a great first-person view. But you can also switch hands and hold the stick the other way and you will get a nice third-person view that looks just like you're holding onto a selfie stick. I really hope this video was informative and inspired some of you guys to do something similar. Get out there, collect some trash if you got a Onewheel, or if you don't, do it anyway. If you got a musical instrument and you got a Onewheel, trust me, this is a good way to blow some people's minds. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good day.